Hey Eric, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. It's actually at your neighbor's house, at the next house down. I got a little mixed up. GPS brought me to the wrong house, but I'm here now and found the garage, so we're good to go there. I thought I would film this quick video to introduce myself. As you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our clients. We're not able to meet with everybody all the time, but the service we provide is just a little different than what most people are generally used to. Power washing services have come a long ways nowadays, and what we do is we use a special formulated detergent that we apply with no more pressure than a garden hose from the ground. No brushing is necessary, no ladders or scaffolding, but we can remove all this green algae, mold, mildew, and get all your gutters cleaned really well with our detergent. And then we use a high volume of water at 10 gallons a minute instead of 3,500 psi to rinse your house down effectively. And same thing with your house here. We apply the detergent, let it dwell, and the cleaner does all the work. So we leave that cleaner on there, and any moss or lichen that's on your roof will turn yellow. It'll actually get worse before it gets better. And this is the cleaning side of things. So once we get your shingles clean, remove that organic growth, Gliocapsomagma, moss lichen, whatever you want to call it. Then there's further steps to go on with roof services. You can do a conditioning treatment to add life into your shingles. You know, nowadays the way they make building materials, especially shingles, they're starting to dry out faster, and they're made with less asphalt. The granulars or protective enamel coating is shedding off the shingles faster nowadays. So we actually are the only dealership in the area that does provide a roof conditioning treatment. It penetrates into the roof. It's not a topical sealer or anything like that, but it becomes part of the shingle, and it helps reactivate all the seal strips under all your shingles to make them perform like they were designed to. So I got a pretty cool dog that he's making sure I'm I like him. But yeah, otherwise we'll do a quick house wash. I definitely would suggest to do the roof maintenance with as much trees you have here, and we're gonna have to do some pretty serious roof debris removal first before we get started on that. I see that you don't have any gutters on these sections here, so I might have to get those cleaned out first, and then we'll come over here and get your siding washed on your garage here. My name is Eddie. I'm the owner operator of a small home service company out of Beloit, Wisconsin. So tell your friends and family about us. We service the Lake Geneva, Madison, Rockford areas, Freeport, and we can come spruce up your home cost effectively, very quickly. Generally our services happen within a day or 2 days, depending on the amount of work you have. And we can get all this cleaned up here, get that bird's nest removed, remove the bird poop. So I will quit blabbing about your house here and my services, but I invite you to watch this quick informational video that ultimately explains why shingles or your roofs are not lasting as long as they used to, and what you can do to further extend the life of your roof. Thank you.
Is it time to replace your old roof? RoofMax offers a new, revolutionary treatment that can help you save thousands of dollars. We offer a quick, easy, and affordable alternative to a complicated, expensive, and life-disrupting asphalt roof replacement. One application can extend your roof's life by 5 years. Make that 15 years with applications every 5 years. And the best thing? RoofMax costs only 15 to 20% of a roof replacement. RoofMax's revolutionary new technology uses 100% natural plant-based bio-oil to restore shingles flexibility and instantly add 5 years of life to a roof. It's not just empty words. Our clients love RoofMax too.
I'm just really thrilled about the whole process.
The cost of applying the RoofMax to our roof was so much cheaper than I had thought.
With over 700 locations nationwide, you can save your roof and help the planet.